Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide Instagram chat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Have you ever wanted to keep some of your Instagram chats private without deleting them? Maybe you have some private or sensitive conversation that you don't want anyone to see, or maybe you just want to clean up your inbox and focus on important chats. If that's the case, you be might wondering if there's a way to hide chats in Instagram without deleting them. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a built-in feature to hide chats in your direct message. Once you start chat, it will stay in your inbox useless unless you delete it or block the person. But don't worry, I will show you the trick how to hide the chat on your uh, Instagram without deleting them. How to do it? It's so simple. So first we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your DMs, and here you can choose on the chat that you want to hide. I will choose this one for the example. You can open the info on here, and you can click on options, and there is an option restrict, so you can hide this chat without deleting them by restrict this account. You can just tap on restrict. So when you restrict this account, when you restrict someone on your Instagram, they won't see you when you are online or when you read their messages. Their messages to you will be moved to message request too. So you can just tap on restrict. Sorry, something went wrong. I will try again. So you can open the chat conversation, go to the info, click on option and restrict. Sorry, I think I will try with another account because this account is, there is something wrong with my account. Okay, let's try with this one. Click on restrict. So now we have restrict that account. As you can see, you can refresh. Let's go back and see. There's no that conversation, a chat conversation again in this. So simple, right? We'll try another one, this one too. Let's go back and see there's no more that conversation, and all the conversation will be moved to the request message in here. So simple, right? You can unrestrict them if you want to show the chat again on your main chat list. You can just unrestrict this account. So simple, right? So that is how to hide message chat on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.